Well, I honestly don't think there's any need for that.
I don't think so.
You know, I have no weapons on me, no ill will, no ill intent. You don't even know who I am at this point in time.
I do. Okay, now I'm asking.
Sir, you can't be a journalist because you at least understood.
Oh, I'm a journalist. Hundreds of thousands of people will see this video, sir.
Okay, I'm happy they do, sir. But I'm tired of asking you the same thing over and over again.
What if simply walking down the street was enough to get you detained, surrounded by police, and eventually arrested without committing a crime? In this shocking encounter, officers demand ID without legal justification, insist that mere suspicion is enough to detain someone, and even threaten additional charges for refusing to comply. But here's the problem: this isn't how the law works. The Fourth and Fifth Amendments protect against exactly this kind of police overreach. So why does it keep happening? Let's break it down.
How you doing?
I'm doing all right. How you doing?
Good. Do you have some ID?
Oh, what is that for, sir?
Well, I'm just trying to figure out what's going on today.
What's your name?
My name's Mike Stokes with the Sheriff's Office.
Okay, the Centennial.
Uh-huh.
Okay, what's your badge number?
8716.
Okay, yeah, I mean, what seems to be the problem?
Well, it's you parked here,
Yeah.
okay, and you walk down the park.
Public street. I can park anywhere I want as long as I'm not blocking someone's driveway, right?
Right, that's
Okay.
correct.
Yeah. Yeah, and then you see me walk up there,
So you walked up there.
and then I'm walking back over here.
Uh-huh.
And I was here yesterday.
Okay.
Yeah.
Can I get your name?
I don't think that I need to unless I've committed a crime or I'm suspected of a crime. You
Okay.
know, I mean, I just don't really understand what the problem was. I mean, I can understand somebody being nervous and making a call, but once you get here and you see, well, nothing's really going on that's illegal, I'm
Well, I
walking my
don't know
dog.
that right now.
Well, yeah, but you have to have the actual evidence before you can just say, well, I don't know, I think you might have. That doesn't work like that. It's not how the law works, you know.
Oh, can you tell me how the law works?
Yeah, the law in Colorado states that I have to be under suspicion of a crime, either have committed one or I am about to, and you have to have reasonable suspicion that I am about to or have or something of that nature. Me parking on the side of the street, walking my dog, you see me talking to a neighbor over there, nothing about that is illegal.
Absolutely not.
Okay.
But
Sit.
you're also obligated by law to provide identification when asked by law.
Oh, yeah, no, actually, so I have I don't think you understand how much of this I know or have been in.
Oh, I'm sure I do.
Okay, so the thing is that yes, by law, I am required to identify if there is suspicion of another crime. So yes, sir, listen. Failure to, hey, no, it's just a guy, don't worry. Failure to ID is a secondary charge, meaning, hey, look, I just did this crime. Now you come up and say, I need your information. You're being charged with such and such a crime. I must identify myself at that point. And if I do not identify myself, at that point, I would get the secondary charge of failure to identify because I am lawfully arrested or being charged lawfully with a crime. At this point, that's not the case. I'm not being charged with the crime. I'm not even under suspicion of a crime. Suspicious activity in itself, which if that's what you're trying to call this, is not a crime. You know, I mean, I can understand, like I said.
Did I say that you've committed a
well,
crime?
no, but you're asking for my ID saying that I am obligated. You said that I'm obligated, which is not correct.
Well, you're obligated to identify yourself.
Yeah, once I've been charged with the crime, sir. Yeah, that is how it works. I mean, if you'd like, and you want to take this any further, I'd request that you get a supervisor, please. And then we can go from there.
Do you want to do that?
Well, I mean, if you're going to leave and just leave me alone, obviously seeing that there's no crime, then no, have a great day type of thing. But if it is going to be something where you're going to try and take this any steps further, or you're going to lie to me and say that I'm obligated to identify myself, at that point I would like that you get a supervisor, please.
Adam 31.
So you're going to take this farther? No problem. No problem. Yeah, so I'm actually at work right now. I'm being stopped. They said that suspicious activity, something of that nature.
I never said suspicious activity.
Okay, maybe I manifested that on my own.
I think you manifested that.
Okay, well then how come it is that you're asking for my ID?
You're in the neighborhood and you're going door to door. You don't have, all you have is interstate roofing.
Yeah.
On your shirt.
And how is that leads you to believe that I'm required to give my identification? Hey, how are you doing today, sir?
Good, how are you?
I'm doing all right. What's your name and badge number, please?
Deputy Lebsack.
Okay, gotcha. Are you the supervisor?
He's on his way.
Oh, okay. Is this the supervisor?
Nope, he's on his way.
I got you. Yeah, so I mean, as you guys can see, I'm being surrounded right now. 3 patrol cars. Am I detained at this moment? Under suspicion of what crime?
Is this your car?
I'm not answering any questions at this point until a supervisor arrives. I will not be answering any questions. I think I provided enough as it is. So I'm being detained for what? You just said my car, but what crime are you suspecting me of committing at this point in time that you can lawfully detain me?
Okay, based on the database that I have used, you have a warrant out of Aurora for your arrest.
The database of what?
Okay, that's why you're being detained.
Okay.
Now you're being cooperative with me.
Yes.
But if I feel that you're not going to be cooperative with me, I'll detain you in handcuffs.
Okay, well, I honestly don't think there's any need for that.
I don't think so.
You know, I have no weapons on me, no ill will, no ill intent. You don't even know who I am at this point in time.
I do. Okay, now I'm asking.
You have suspicion.
Right, now I'm asking you for identification. Because I have reasonable suspicion now. This is my supervisor.
This is your supervisor. Hey, how's it going, man? How are you doing?
Good, yourself?
I am doing all right. I mean, I'm not sure what's going on here. We got a ton of police officers. I'm surrounded. I mean, I'm feeling pretty nervous right now. I'm at work, okay? I'm using this vehicle for work, and this officer, for some reason, feels that he has reasonable suspicion to be running plates around here or thinking about other stuff. I've committed no crime.
Public roadway, so yes.
Yeah, well, no, you actually have to have some sort of suspicion to actually be able to run it and go through that.
It's on a public roadway.
Yeah.
Okay.
So what is?
Identification, because that's what he's requesting.
Yeah, I know, but there has been no crime at this point, so I'm not gonna give identification.
Suspicious person walking around the neighborhood
Is not a crime. Suspicion in itself is not a crime.
And he is contacting you. He
Yeah.
has reasonable suspicion to contact you.
No, that's the problem. He doesn't. What is the reason?
Reasonable suspicion to
What is the reasonable suspicion, sir?
that you're walking around this neighborhood
Yeah.
and you say you're at work, so you need to prove to us in some way that you're.
No. See, that's actually the problem. You guys have to prove that I have done something wrong. Innocent until
Okay.
proven
I
guilty,
understand
right?
you're filming me. I don't really care.
Yeah, I'm just filming for my protection, just as the other officers are filming for their protection.
He
Yeah.
asked you for identification.
Yeah.
If you don't relinquish that identification, it could be an additional charge.
No, see, that's
From
a
what I understand-
secondary charge,
From what I
sir.
understand is you have a possible warrant for your arrest.
That is besides the point at this point, because no. See, you guys have to prove that I have done something wrong. See, sir, the law works that you're innocent until proven guilty. So for you to say that I'm going to get a charge for that.
That's only for probable cause arrest.
Yeah, so what I'm saying right now is the fact that you guys are just telling me that I'm going to get a charge for not identifying. That's a secondary charge. For me to identify, I have to be suspected of committing a crime. I have to be suspected of committing some sort of infraction. I am not going to give that, sir, unless I am being lawfully arrested. Is that what's happening?
That's what's happening.
Okay, can you put that down?
Can you tell me what your name and date of birth is?
Yeah, I'm being cooperative, guys.
What's your name and your date of birth, sir?
No reason to
What's your name and your
pull
date
on
of
back
birth?
like that.
Failure to identify yourself, you told me, is a crime. Okay. That's the law. You have a warrant for your arrest.
No, sir, I do not. I literally was at my probation office 2 or 3 days ago, sitting in front of my officer.
That's why we asked for. So that's why we've asked you for identification.
Yeah, but see,
To find out whether you have a warrant for your arrest.
you're actually, you don't have a warrant for my arrest. Is
Because-
that what you're saying? Is that what you're saying,
Because your
sir?
vehicle.
You want me to go all the way in?
I want you to go all the way in.
Okay, well, I would like to find
Because
out.
I don't want you falling out of the car.
What charge am I being, what crime am I being charged with? 21.
This case highlights a dangerous trend. Police officers acting as if reasonable suspicion means whatever they want it to. This man was arrested, held for 4 hours, and then released without charges, proving that there was never a valid reason to detain him in the first place. The lesson? Never assume law enforcement follows the law. You must know your rights, stand your ground, and always record, because without accountability, police misconduct will continue unchecked. What happens when a police officer's ego becomes more important than the law? In this outrageous video, a journalist is arrested, not for committing a crime, but for simply knowing and exercising his rights. The officer openly admits that taking pictures on a public sidewalk is legal, yet still detains the journalist for disturbing the peace. This is exactly why the First and Fourth Amendments exist, to protect us from unlawful police actions. Let's break it down.
Putting everybody on the sidewalk?
Yes.
Oh, okay, so it is legal for somebody on the sidewalk to have a camera aimed at the building, correct?
It's legal, or you just taking pictures of the bank? Now, you know.
I don't answer questions.
Then why are we talking then? If you don't answer
Well,
questions.
you came over here. I assume you were in the chat.
Yeah. Well.
I just had a question. That's it.
Well, I got another question for you then, sir.
I don't answer
All right.
questions, but
Okay. That's fine then, sir. Then you're going to have to move on. Then you're not going to sit there and answer questions. You're not going to
I'm
sit
on
on
a
the
public
outside.
sidewalk, sir. I'm not
You're on
cutting
a
you off.
public sidewalk, but you also been called for disturbance. When I walked up here, you was banging on that window, hollering at him.
I did not touch the
That's
window,
fine.
sir.
That's fine.
Then
But
call a
you were.
supervisor.
I'm
I did
not
not
calling.
touch
I am
that
a
window.
supervisor,
I did
so
not
I'm here,
touch-
sir. How can I help you?
I have it on video.
That's fine.
I did
That's
not touch
fine.
the window.
That's fine.
It's not a public disturbance.
Sir, if you right here outside of a window, pointing at a bank window, and he's on the other side hollering at you, that's a disturbance.
So
Yes,
what-
that's a disturbance.
So how is it disturbing?
Sir, that's
I'm
a
walking on the
disturbance.
sidewalk,
Sir, you
he's
got
speaking.
every right to say what you want. I'm telling you that's a disturbance.
So I don't have a right to stand on the sidewalk.
Sir, I didn't never say that. I said you don't have a right to stand right here and yell at someone on the other side of a window
Never happened.
like you were.
I
It
was
did
asking
happen.
him. I said, I can't hear you.
And then when
Why?
I came up here, the first thing you asked me was about cameras, but you don't want to talk to me.
Yeah, because I asked you a question.
Okay.
I said I don't want to answer
But
your
why are
questions.
you talking to me if you don't
I'm
want to?
done. Am I being detained, sir?
No, I never
I'm done with
said
you
you.
then.
Never
I'm
said you
done
would
with you.
stop.
I'm done.
Now you go to another. I'm gonna stop you again. So have a good day.
Yeah.
Have a good day. Have
I
a
am
good day,
gonna-
sir.
I'm
Have a good day. Have a good day.
I'm having a
Have a
fantastic
good day. You have a great day,
working on a
sir.
story on a public sidewalk.
That's fine. But you don't be over here hollering at nobody, okay?
Okay, I won't hold it anyway.
Thank you.
You have yourself a good day,
You
sir.
too. Just like you taking pictures, I don't record you since I've been here, so I'm thankful.
Excellent. You have yourself a good day. No more.
Yeah, it's just everybody. See, sir, I'm not gonna keep talking to you. You said you're not gonna talk to me. Good. Now, here's two things we can do. I have a job to do. All right. You making my job awfully hard just to come over here and tell you, sir, would you please not take pictures of a bank? Number one, that don't look great because number two, people think people try to rob banks. I'm not saying you're doing that, but you out here taking pictures of a bank. If you're doing a story, do your story, but you ain't got to stand right up to the bank taking a bunch of pictures. Then you want to holler and say you don't want to talk to me.
What?
You are causing a disturbance just by what you are doing.
What part
Okay?
of, what, sir, I'm asking a clarifying question. What part, oh, you're not going to answer my questions now. All right, you have a good day. What part of the sidewalk can I not stand on, sir? Where can I not aim the camera? Disturbing the peace.
Okay, but here's the thing, though. Here's two things, okay? All right, just like I'm telling him. All right, don't antagonize him. Don't anything. If he's taking pictures, that's just a free world. They can do it across the street. I don't want to address that, okay? Don't yell at him and back because that keeps him here, okay? I need something. I don't have a lot, okay? They do have a right to be on these public sidewalks. Everybody got a right. Like your cameras upstairs, he hollering about. Cameras are cameras.
Yeah.
They can take pictures from across the street. I can't stop them from doing that, okay? But I don't want nobody up to the window hollering at each other. And that's the whole thing. He got a whole thing he's going on. I don't know what he's doing. He's doing a story or whatever he wants. That's fine. All right. Now, if he comes in here, which did he do that?
No.
Okay, that helps me, okay? That's the whole problem. You know, I don't want to be arguing with nobody because he want to start arguing by not answering questions. You know, really, I don't have anything.
Gotcha.
I just come to see what he was doing by him having the camera and stuff. I really can't say that's illegal. You understand what I'm saying?
So does it make a difference that we're a
No.
bank?
No.
Like he could be scoping us
No,
out or anything?
by law, no.
Okay.
Now, if he was in here, yes.
Gotcha.
That's a total difference. But by law, no. Anybody can take pictures of a building.
Is it against the law for me to stand right here? I haven't touched the window. I didn't touch the window.
I need your ID. I don't ask you.
I don't-
First, sir, you don't have ID. If you don't have ID, then I am going to detain you, and I'm probably going to arrest you for harassment. Give me your ID, or you're going to be detained.
Sir?
Control of everyone.
What
else.
law do you
sir, I'm asking questions now. Give me your ID. Give me your ID, or I'm arrest you for disorderly conduct. One or another. Go ahead and throw 128 back to him.
Disorderly
For our
conduct for
original run.
taking pictures on a public sidewalk.
Sir, that's on you. Do you want to do that or not? Tell me now.
So-
I'm gonna help you out because I'm tired. Because I asked you a minute ago
I'm prepared to go to-
leave.
I'm prepared
you
to go to-
steer. Thank you.
I'm
Cool,
prepared
cool.
to go to
Put your head
jail.
behind your back.
All right, there you go.
Nope. Put your head behind your back. I'm
hands
taking
are
all
behind
your
my back.
equipment.
Let's go.
Yep. Yes, sir. I know you are. Raise up. Move your hand. You're harassing these people inside. I asked you to move a long time ago.
Public sidewalk, sir.
Yeah, I know you are.
It's not harassment.
You
Stand on
know,
a public
no,
sidewalk.
you're harassing people inside. You up there
Nope.
at the window. I asked you not to
I
do
didn't
that.
touch the window.
The people already called on you. This is a bank.
by me.
They're scared
Scared.
of you being outside taking photos. Any man in the world would understand
Not
that.
against the law,
But you,
sir. Not against the law.
Disorderly conduct is because I asked you to leave.
Stand on a public sidewalk.
That's okay. I don't care, sir.
That's you. All right.
I don't care. Cause you act like I asked you for ID. Where your ID at? Put your hand behind your back.
Yeah, this is great. Public disturbance. So what do you want me to do? I don't want you to hurt me. I don't consent to any searches, sir. I'm not resisting arrest. There you go. All right. Disturbing the peace for taking photos on a public sidewalk.
You have any weapons on you, sir?
I
Do you have any weapon?
I have a can of pepper spray in my right coat pocket there. That's it.
Okay.
Astounding. Indianapolis arresting journalists for taking photos on public sidewalks.
Sir, you can't be a journalist because you at least understood.
Oh, I'm a journalist. Hundreds of thousands of people will see this video, sir.
Okay, I'm happy they do, sir. But I'm tired of asking you the same thing over and
don't
over
stand on
again.
the public sidewalk taking
Don't
photos.
get away from the window. You're 2 feet from the window. I asked you that.
standing on a
Like,
public
you walked
sidewalk,
over
sir.
there, it was great. But
Standing on
then
a
you
public
came
sidewalk.
back and you
I
just
asked
won't
earlier,
leave.
what part of the sidewalk I can't stand on? You didn't answer that. Public sidewalk. Public sidewalk. Oh, she's gonna get hurt too?
Yeah, I'm getting everybody here. Everybody got a camera. I always do that
Yeah.
because I can call her for a witness.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean, I
she'll
like
be a witness.
witnesses.
Man, stick around. You want to be a witness for this, trust me. Violating my rights for taking photographs on a public sidewalk.
No, but you was taking photographs of the bank all up in the window.
Against law, taking photographs.
Yeah, and you're harassing the people inside because when I came up here, you was
taking
arguing with
photos.
the people in the
No,
window.
I asked the man, well, what did
No.
you say? Nice try. Got it all on
Yeah,
video.
I get it. I understand.
What? You're a sergeant.
Yeah,
Sergeant
yeah.
what?
Everybody's smarter than everybody else.
Against law to get into the banks.
What's the badge number?
What's your badge number? So do you have a badge number?
You already know my name. You know
No,
who
could I
it is.
get your badge number, please?
Ma'am, but you're not being arrested, so you can go on.
Oh, you might be arrested.
No, you're not. Go on, ma'am. You're not being arrested.
Am I not allowed to photograph
No,
you?
you're allowed to photograph, but you gotta be over there. You can talk all you want.
Why do I have to be over there?
Ma'am, I don't have to. Yes, you do. Yes, you do, because I'm asking you to back up. I'm asking you to back up. See, this is where y'all keep forgetting. I'm asking you to back up. Now, are you part of this arrest?
No, I am.
I'll get some other handcuffs. I'll help you. Are you part of it? No. Quit
Wow.
interfering.
No, I'm taking footage.
Quit it. You can record all you want.
He's gonna arrest her.
I know I
You don't have no right to ask anything over here unless you're a part of it. As long as you keep
I'm allowed
instigating
to
it.
speak in
Answer my thing.
public. And I'm
Violating my
allowed to
rights.
photograph
I'm
in public.
instigating now.
Yes, you've
Really?
been instigating.
All right.
You know, just like you got people on your side on this, I'm gonna have everybody in the bank will say the same thing.
Everybody in
You
the-
keep
Yeah.
coming up
I have it
here.
on video,
Yeah,
sir.
okay, sir, it don't matter.
Standing right here on the sidewalk, aiming my camera to bank is
Where's
not
your
a crime.
idea, sir? Well, thank you.
This video proves that many police officers don't enforce laws, they enforce their feelings. The journalist was arrested for nothing more than refusing to submit to unlawful orders. And what's worse, the officer knew the arrest was baseless but did it anyway. This is why knowing your rights isn't just important, it's necessary. Because when police are willing to violate the law just to satisfy their ego, the only defense you have is the Constitution and your camera.